It's been a day with the exhaust system, PLM headers, X 2.5 Yonaka Catback system, and it sounds really good. I have no complaints. It has a nice deep rumbly tone, which I really love. The only thing I need to do with this exhaust system is I need to get the slip joints welded where the PLM headers connect. If you guys know about the PLM headers, they do come in pieces, so depending on which car you slap it onto, you have to adjust it and make adjustments so you can have it lining up properly. But on the Acura TSX, it's pretty much a bolt-on. Next couple of videos, we're gonna get the PLM headers welded. We're gonna weld around the slip joints, and hopefully that should help with the raspiness. And if it's still kind of raspy, we're gonna add a second resonator, maybe a vibrant performance resonator, just so we can get rid of the raspiness, because I don't like the way the raspiness sounds. It sounds really good right now, but if I get rid of all the raspiness with the slip joints and the vibrant muffler, it should sound really good. So this is overall how it looks from the back. It looks pretty mean. I'm really happy I went with the Yonaka Catback system. I was gonna go with the Tanabe medallion, but didn't feel like dropping $1,000 or $1,300 on an exhaust system right now. I got this for about $700, so it looks really good. I really like the tips. Really complements the car. They're not too big, and it looks OEM, which is what I was going for. Once again, I just want to say thank you to Mikey from PM Autowerks. If you guys need any work done to your car, whether it's bagging your car, turbo in your car, putting an exhaust system in your car, you name it, he does really good work, has really good customer service, and he's quick and efficient. So I'm gonna leave his credentials in the comment section, so if you guys need to reach him, definitely hit him up for your exhaust or automotive needs. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and if you guys enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.